across these western areas and still 1 or 2 light showers in the east during the afternoon. The temperature's not too far from those of Sunday. Good night.
Well, now it's just after 10 minutes to 2 and BBC One is closing down. Just a reminder that BBC Radio continues right through the night with both Radios 1 and 2, Radio 3, the World Service on Radio 4, and a mixture of news, sport and music on Radio 5 Live. But now, from all of us here on BBC One, may I wish you a very good night.